Your Storm Shield forecast, only on Fox 47 News.
All right, good Saturday evening, everybody. I forgot it was me, Andy Maureen. What's going on? What's up?
It's all good.
I was jumping the gun there.
You were excited to talk about all this cold weather we're having.
I mean, you know I like the cold weather.
Yeah.
I was amped up right there, and it's a chilly night for us. It's 27 degrees right now. It's a live look outside the studio. Shiny spots on the pavement. Could be some slick spots out there, so be aware of that as you do progress through the overnight hours. Cloudy skies, too. We just haven't been able to break this cloud cover apart today. I think we finally do as we move throughout the overnight hours. Now, elsewhere across mid-Michigan right now, temperatures for everybody in the mid to upper 20s. We're at 26 in Mason, 27 in Jackson and Lansing, also in Charlotte. 25 degrees, our cold spot right now, Hillsdale and Coldwater. Now, the almanac shows we did get to 27 degrees for a high temperature today, just below our average. We should be around the freezing mark, about 32 degrees here at the end of December. Now, the forecast for tonight, temperatures do stay pretty cold, but average. We're going to get down to 21 degrees. Partly cloudy skies, winds turning to the southeast, but they are going to be on the lighter side, so wind chills will not be a factor, although it is going to be a chilly night for us. Now, the Doppler radar is dry right now, but satellite is picking up on this extensive swath of cloud cover over mid-Michigan right now. Zooming out, well, we have high pressure to the south that is going to continue to slip off to the east. That is going to start to send a southerly flow into mid-Michigan. Notice the drier conditions south of us. That is why I think we're going to see that cloud cover break up a bit as we move throughout the overnight hours. And then this area of low pressure out to the west, that is slowly coming this way, and that is going to bring us unsettled conditions as we head into the coming work week. Now, taking a look at our future track forecast here. Again, overnight tonight, winds beginning from the west-northwest, but quickly turning to the south, and that's when you see that drier air pumping into mid-Michigan. Because of that, I think we do start to see that cloud cover break up out there. And it is going to be a chilly night. Temperatures dipping down into the upper teens to low 20s. Now, for tomorrow, we're going to begin the day with filtered sunshine out there. Temperatures, again, pretty chilly. We are going to see overhead clouds fill right back into our skies, though, and that cloud deck is going to thicken and lower as we move throughout the day. This is 7 p.m. We're still dry. There could be some drizzle, I think, in the late afternoon, evening hours, but it's not going to be until the late evening when we see steadier precipitation move through. This is 10 o'clock here. You can see the center of the actual low pressure system is going to be up over Muskegon, Newaygo counties there. With us being on the southern side of that, temperatures are going to be on the warmer side. So for the most part, I think we do see this mainly as rainfall, at least at the onset of precipitation. However, as we do move through the next couple of hours here, that low drifts off and colder air wraps in. So I think we could see that rain turn to snow out there in time for the Monday morning commute. There could be a couple of slick spots out there. Nothing crazy, but again, you might want to take it slow Monday morning. A couple snow showers may stick with us, but for the most part then on Monday, we are going to stick with mostly cloudy skies. It's going to be a chilly day though. Temperatures only getting into to around 30 degrees. Now, for predicted snowfall, not a whole lot in mid-Michigan. For the most part, we're going to see a trace of snowfall out there. North of where that low pressure center does track, that's where we're expecting a little bit more. Nothing crazy again, maybe like an inch or two north of Interstate 96. Looking at the next 7 days here, again, we could see a snow shower Monday morning, but for the most part, Monday is mostly cloudy. Clouds do thicken right back up for Tuesday ahead of our next system that will move through on a Wednesday, bringing more in the way of rainfall. I'll kind of show you that setup again ahead of this low pressure system. A warm front will lift through, so we do get pretty warm. So at the onset of precipitation, could be a mix initially. This is Wednesday morning. That commute could be impacted, but then moving through the day, temperatures continue to climb, so we see mainly rainfall from this. Once this cold front does move through, that cold air does quickly wrap in behind the front, and I think we do see that rain turn to snow eventually. One thing we are keeping our eyes on now, some models are starting to hint at a secondary low pressure system developing on that boundary that could bring us some more snow as we head into New Year's. But the forecast right now for New Year's Day, mostly cloudy skies, temperatures around 30 degrees, and then heading into Saturday, mostly sunny, highs at 32.